Obviously this is not sponsored because I have 56 followers, but if Zenni sees this, when I start getting a lot more following, you should sponsor me because I only buy from you guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about my glasses that I buy and use. I need prescription glasses. I'm not super blind, but I'm definitely blind enough that I need glasses to drive and to see. But luckily my eyes are pretty healthy, so my stigmatism is not nearly as bad as other people's. And I only need to go back every like 2 years. I'm super cheap and super broke, and I hate that glasses are super expensive. So when I was first introduced that I was blind and I first got my prescription, I had a really expensive pair that my grandma bought me, thanks Nana. I used those all the time, but I just wanted like a different pair and I didn't want to spend a whole bunch of money. So one of my classmates from high school said that he uses Zenni. It's called Zenni Optical, and it's just a cheap lens company. You put in your prescription and then you just like search for the frames you want, and if you want like the anti-glare, blue lens, sunglasses, whatever, you just like put those on in the extras. And the actual frames themselves are super cheap, and then I think it's only like $1 or $2 more to put your prescription in the actual lens. And then also you can do like a virtual try on where you just like take a video of yourself and then it'll like virtually put the glasses on, or you can order the glasses without your prescription. They'll send them to your door, and then if you like them you send them back, and then they'll put your prescription lens in. But if you don't like them, you just send them back and you don't get charged or anything like that. My very first glasses with them were these ones. They're just these like tortoise shell glasses, and my prescription with these were nothing, like barely any difference to like 20/20 vision. So now when I'm like using them, I'm like, these didn't work at all. I'm like squinting, trying to even see something right in front of me. But yeah, I love them. It's just plastic. I've had them for 3 years, so they're kind of wobbly now, and they're like a little bit stretched out and super scratched. I don't know if you can even tell, but the lenses are pretty scratched and they're just kind of gross. And I knew I needed a new prescription anyway, so I was like gonna use this as an excuse to buy a whole bunch more sunglasses and glasses. So one thing that I do love about Zenni is they do have sunglasses that are prescription. They have snowboarding goggles, they have work glasses, like welding stuff, like they're really cool. I bought these sunglasses, and you can buy these without the tint or with the tint. They're like these cute little metal cat eye frames, and then I did just the sheer pink. You can also do like blacked out glasses that have no like sheer to them, and then I think they have them in like a normal metal, and I just got the rose gold. For the pink lenses, this is them on. They're super funky and weird, but I love them, and they're pretty good at blocking out UV. I never feel like I'm strained, and I feel like they're a good amount of tint, where sometimes I have a hard time seeing with like too dark of glasses. And the sunglasses were only $30, and then I think they were like $39, the lenses and stuff. Next, I just got an everyday pair of glasses. They're kind of similar to my original pair that I bought, but they're more circular. And I like that they're like a maroon to clear gradient. They also have this, I think, in like black, clear, white. They have a lot, and they're pretty dirty because I wear them the most. And yeah, this is them on. I love them so much. I'm gonna leave the link to all these down below as well, because I feel like if you're blind, you shouldn't have to pay so much for glasses. Like, glasses are super expensive, so if you want cute glasses, then you should
definitely only have to pay a little bit of money.
These were, I think, $9 for the frames, and then it totaled up to like 10 or 15, I think, with my prescription, and then I got like a anti-glare. Lastly, I have my blue lens glasses, and so I got these old aviator type glasses, and then I just got them with the clear lenses, and these are actually blue light blocker glasses, and the blue light blocker was only $16 to put that in there. I love these. I don't know if like the blue lens thing is just kind of a fad right now, but my job is on the computer and I have school online. If it works, then great. I've only had these for a couple of days now, so I haven't seen much of a difference, but hopefully my eyes become less strained and I get less tired and irritated and bloodshot and stuff. These ones were only, they totaled up to like $30, $36. With the blue lens, I got the anti-glare and then my prescription and then just the actual frames. These are all of my glasses. I love them all, and I like that they all come with their own individual cases with a microfiber cloth. It says Zenni all over it.
It says trendy and spendy inside.
If you are the type of person to always break your glasses and stuff, they have like a repair kit that you can buy that has like the little mini screwdriver to tighten your screws, or you can send them in and they can fix them if they're like super broken. I highly recommend these. Again, not sponsored because I only have 56 followers. I think everybody should get these, even if you're not blind. If you just want the sunglasses, they're super cheap sunglasses and they're great quality too. Like, this is all pretty thin metal, but it's not like I can't bend this part. Obviously, like, this moves to fit to your head. And then also, if they're like lopsided, you can send them in and they can tweak them and they can lower and like fix anything. Or if they're like too big, you can get them shrunken. Like, they're super cool. Everybody should go grab these. I love them. They're super cheap. All the links to all these ones are down below, and then just the Zenni website is down below. So, bye.